How to log in Netflix on phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can log into Netflix on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to log into your Netflix on your phone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to open the Netflix application here. In order to log in, you need to make sure that you have an account. If you don't have an account, we've also already made a video on that. Once you're here on this page, you'll see this type of interface where if you don't have an account, you can tap on get started to create an account. Otherwise, what you can do is just tap the login option from the top right, and all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the phone number as well as the password or the email address and password of your Netflix account. Tap the sign in button in order to successfully sign into your Netflix account. In case you forgot your password, you can tap on the need help option here. You can go ahead and simply reset your password in that page. Otherwise, whenever you enter your details, you'll be able to go ahead and enter them respectively. In this case, tap the sign in option and then you'll be successfully signed in to Netflix. This way you can sign into Netflix. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.